Spoke about whether you should make an insurance claim or not. There's a lot of questions that have to be answered before you would want to know how you're going to do that. Well, was the problem sudden or accidental? Was it something that's been leaking for a while? Anything that's been leaking for a while, typically not covered through insurance. An accident could be considered someone running the water, then running off to church and forgetting the water's on. That's an accident. It's also negligence, but it's covered. Some people might call it something else. Don't know how that's covered when you have a leak in your water supply line going to your refrigerator. And I said leak. Don't use the word leak because that's what it is. It's not covered. If your water supply burst, broke, has a pinhole, it's been running water consistently, and you catch it and you do something about it, make a claim, that's a covered water loss. Remember, it has to be sudden or accidental, or else it's not covered. And mold shouldn't be covered if it's pre-existing. However, if you have mold insurance, that'll usually cover you up to about a $5,000 cap. Look for more insider tips. Looking forward to seeing you again. Smash that like button.